working on a little pump skid. So this is interesting because it's a district loop. So we have customers supplying their return, and then there's a couple of central plants in this downtown, and they have their supply and return coming in, and then we have these big old heat exchangers. So this building's 35 stories or so. So you have these plate heat exchangers. And then I get you guys in here. You got like a little viewing window, so you can see all those little plates. So you have the two loops exchanging heat off of each other, giving this building cooling. So, supply and return, and then supply and return up top on both of them. So their complaint today was both of these pumps aren't working. The motor's back there. So I've already gone through, did some digging. So if we power this up, drive's gonna power up, and we pull in. So I've pulled the motor coming off, so there's no fault on this, or no load on this. So no matter what you do, this drive's going into overcurrent with no load on it. So the motor tests out pretty much fine. This VFD is going to be bad, so we'll end up quoting them a new VFD for this. We'll power that off. So got some fuses, motor starter in there for the bypass, and then I got to figure out what's going on with this one. So this one's got blown fuses incoming, which is generally not good. So more than likely that drive is gonna, as soon as I put fuses in, that's gonna blow as soon as I energize it, most likely. So I'll have to figure that out. So we'll test that. I'll test the motor too. So we'll do a part 2 for this motor.